If you're completely new to Adobe Firefly, don't worry. In this guide, I'll show you the basic workflow step by step, so you can start creating AI content with Firefly quickly and easily. First, open Adobe Firefly in your web browser and sign in with your Adobe account. After entering the Firefly workspace, you'll find several creative AI tools designed for generating and editing content. If your goal is to create an image, look for the text-to-image feature. Click it and you'll see a prompt box where you can describe what you want. For example, type "a realistic cabin beside a beautiful mountain lake at sunrise." After entering your prompt, generate the image and review the results. Firefly usually gives you multiple variations, allowing you to choose the one you like best. You can then customize your result by changing the aspect ratio, visual style, lighting, color, or other available settings. If the image is exactly what you imagined, simply improve your prompt and generate it again. Firefly can also be useful for editing existing images. Depending on the available features, you can remove objects, replace elements, change backgrounds, or expand the image. The key to getting better results is writing clear and detailed prompts. Mention the subject, location, style, lighting, and mood instead of using only a few words. Once you're happy with the result, review it carefully and export your final content. That's the basic Adobe Firefly workflow for beginners. Start with simple prompts, experiment with different settings, and gradually explore more advanced tools.